I want to show you how to add this smooth text animation effect in Premiere Pro. Let's go. First of all, you have to select your type tool and write the text. Then go to Effects Control, Properties, and modify the text as you want. Now go to Effects and write Transform. Add your transform to your text layer. Under Effect Controls, click the stopwatch icon next to Position under Transform. Then you have to adjust your text a little bit lower. Now move your timeline slider ahead 2 or 3 seconds. Next, reset the position by clicking here. Highlight both keyframes and right-click of the mouse, Temporal Interpolation, Ease In. Again, Temporal Interpolation, Ease Out. Expand Position. Then drag the right handle to the left, then move the left up like this. Move your timeline slider to 1 second back. Then click the keyframe button next to Opacity. Move your slider to the beginning of the layer and modify opacity to 0. In case if you want to animate each word separately, duplicate your text for each word that you have by holding Alt and dragging your clip above. Then offset each layer, moving it by about 10 frames. Go to Effect and search for Crop. Add your crop effect to each text layer. Now move your slider over the first word, then adjust the right crop to remove the other two. Position your slider over the second word now and adjust the left and right crop to remove the other two. Everything is ready. Let's see the result. Help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.